Hey, what's up out there? Welcome to Chat Outdoors. Here I'm squatting down by the brute force, and we got a flat tire. Take a look. I've got it on a little jack stand. It's been sitting like this for a week, and been debating on getting new tires or just repairing this. So I think I'm gonna repair it and then get new tires. So let's just do a test. I thought that I had a leak here from a small thorn in the tread. But after further reviewing it, I found a cut. I don't know if it'll show up. See that number 6? There's a little puncture right by it. So what I was gonna do at first is gonna take some slime, because I thought it was a hole in the tread, or actually like a thorn, but it wasn't. So we can't fill it with slime. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to plug the sidewall. Probably not the best repair, but I do want to ride before a new set of tires come in. So let's see what happens if we shove an old plug in there, and if it lasts long, if it fills up with air. I'll test it out too. I'll do some good hard riding on it, see if it makes it. So I'm gonna set the camera up so you can kind of get a good angle and watch me plug this bad boy. I'm gonna check, make sure that the camera can see what's going on. I might have to get a different angle. It looks like it doesn't like the light. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Let's try that out. Okay. Here we go. First thing you do, I'm gonna poke this in the hole. And it doesn't seem like a big hole, so if it's not gonna... There it goes in. This will just kind of clean it out, make a smooth finish for the plug. And let's get one of these little tarred up ropes. And this is an old pack too. I think I've had this sitting around the garage for like 4 years. Still feels nice and sticky. So then you can do is just weave this bad boy through here. Kind of like threading a needle. A lot sloppier. Alright, I want to pull that about halfway. Get it, find the hole again. Like about right there somewhere. And you gotta just put a little cement or rubber on it. I'm gonna put some in before it goes in. On this side. That's great, it's all evaporated. Oh well. So what I'm gonna do is push this in. That's plenty good. And then we're just gonna pull it out. It should cut the other end. There we go. Now we got a nice little plug. So let's put some air in it and trim it and see what happens. Probably don't want to watch the whole air and trimming piece. I can trim it real quick though. Let's do that. Take some side cutters. That's what we call them here in Texas. Y'all might have another word for them. I'm not gonna go flush, but I'm gonna leave a little bit, maybe a 1/4 inch sticking out. That ought to do. Let's air it up. Supposed to put, I think, like 5 pounds. I'll check that later, but Seems to be pretty good. What I'm gonna do is drop it off. Take it off of this here jack stand. Put it down. Alright. I'll come back in a bit. I'll probably give it like a couple hours. It was lasting 2 hours, so I'll check it overnight. We'll run it hard and see what happens. Alright, so went and rode just after that last night for about an hour, and then this morning rode another about an hour, and this thing's cooling off. Still's got the same amount of tire pressure as it did, so it looks like it's a good fix. You see the plugs right here. I'm left a little bit hanging out. Let's see, get a little close up. A little bit hanging out, but full air. Let's see, when I last checked it, it was just around 5 psi. This is the tool that came with the machine, and take a look. Still there, right at 5. I mean, it looks like it's hair over 5, so plenty air. Probably could let a little bit out. I think the book calls for right at 5, so yeah, looks like the old plug works for now. If you guys have any recommendations on tires for replacements, feel welcome to make a comment. Looking at getting something similar, maybe a radial type tire. I don't need a full mud grip. I'm out here running in the rocks, pretty hard packed ground. I do like power sliding, so looking at some ITP tires. Kind of not out of full mud grip, but maybe like one of their whole shots. Let me know what you think. If anyone's got a brute force with some non-OEM tires, let me know what you got. What do you think about them? Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.